In today's video, we're diving into the best video editor apps for Android that can help you create stunning and engaging content. If you're ready to elevate your video editing game, let's get started. VideoCook Glitch. Video Effect. VideoCook Glitch Video Effect is a powerful video editing app designed to add dynamic glitch effects to your videos. This app is perfect for those looking to create eye-catching content with a unique aesthetic. It features a wide range of preset glitch effects, filters, and transitions that can easily be applied to your videos to make them stand out. Users can also trim and merge clips, adjust video speed, and add music or sound effects to enhance their projects. With its intuitive interface, VideoCook allows users to edit their videos quickly and efficiently while providing professional-looking results, ideal for vloggers and social media enthusiasts. Spring Video Editor Maker. Spring Video Editor Maker is a versatile video editing app that provides users with a comprehensive set of tools to create engaging videos. The app features a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned editors. Users can edit videos by trimming, merging, and rotating clips, as well as adding filters, text overlays, and stickers to enhance their projects. Spring Video Editor also includes options for adding background music and voiceovers, helping users bring their videos to life. The app supports various aspect ratios, including square and portrait formats, making it perfect for social media sharing. With its rich feature set, Spring Video Editor is ideal for creating everything from personal vlogs to promotional videos. Vllo Video Editor. Vllo Video Editor Vlog Edits is a feature-packed app specifically designed for vloggers and content creators. It offers a range of editing tools, including cutting, cropping, and splitting clips, as well as transitions, filters, and music options. One of the standout features of Vllo is its extensive library of royalty-free music and sound effects, making it easy for users to find the perfect audio for their projects. The app also provides customizable text options and video overlays, allowing users to add a personal touch to their edits. With its straightforward interface and powerful capabilities, Vllo is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create professional quality videos directly from their Android device. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of VideoCook Glitch Video Effect, Spring Video Editor Maker, and Vllo Video Editor Vlog Edits helps you find the right tool for your video projects. Until next time, happy editing.